Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2018 Nissan Altima SL, stock number B9474P. 22,000 miles on this Altima. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, storm blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. This Altima has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, cross traffic alert, along with backup camera. Spacious trunk, wide open, it makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the handle on each side. Allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This SL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. As of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror and HomeLink garage door opener. Under the hood, this Altima has a 2.5 liter, 4 cylinders, 179 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon and a city average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Altima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.